Welcome. Thank you for watching this video presented by CostStoreFixtures. Questions should be emailed to CostStoreFixtures@outlook.com. This application uses the Microsoft Excel spreadsheet program. Microsoft and Excel are trademarks and property of Microsoft Corporation. A Microsoft Corporation license is required to use the Excel program. The instruction example covers foundation principles and demonstrates the process by calculating the cost of a pedestal fixture step by step. Each instruction example consists of a macro button and a cell comment. To read the text of the macro before clicking the button, hover over the cell to the right of the button and the text of the macro is displayed. Complete the instruction example to develop an understanding and proficiency at preparing a cost workup. The instructions example is on the instruction sheet. The instruction sheet is the window currently displayed. The example starts at row 157. To get to the example, click the fourth button labeled B.000 Example Cost Workup Pedestal. The focus of step 2 of the 3 steps is on the principles of this process and how to enter the material prices on 3 cost workup sheets. Example item 2.2.15, Cost Workup Column L, Measure Designator. The measure designator on the cost workup sheet in column L is used in formulae for filtering the data in the tables. The measure designator determines if the material is counted, measured, or both. The options are: the .A designator means the material is measured as area quantity. The .I designator means the material is measured as item quantity. The .L designator means the material is measured as length quantity. The .X designator means the material is measured as an extra quantity of area, item, or length. The .AX designator means the material is measured as both area and extra quantity. The .IX designator means the material is measured as both item and extra quantity. The .LX designator means the material is measured as both length and extra quantity. Materials can have more than one designator. For example, if a material has the designator .A, .I, .L, .X, which means area, item, length, and extra, it means that the material can be included in calculations of any of the measurements designated. The designators are used in formula to identify and calculate quantities of materials by type of measure. This example 2.2.15 is completed. Continue the instructions example by clicking item 2.2.16.